Hey, it's Krystal, Krystal's Makeup, and I'm here with
Delibelly.
Yes, Delibelly. So exciting because we're gonna review
Some makeup today.
Yeah.
We got the Amrezy Palette and the PR box.
We're gonna go as we do. That's what I'm gonna say, cause we didn't plan nothing. We're just gonna play with our Amrezy palettes today for the first time.
I just dipped my hand in this bronzy color, so I guess we're gonna swatch that. But this palette is fire. Look at that. I don't even know what I'm gonna do today.
We definitely did our brows before this.
So we did our brows. They're done, clearly. But
now we're gonna start.
We're gonna literally start this.
We both got our like mirrors right here, so
yeah, we got the whole setup going on. You know how I do.
Everything is set up.
I'm gonna use the Milk Jumbo Stick as my eyelid primer.
Okay.
I swear by this.
I'm using Louise Base Rumor 0.5.
It's really light, but it shows more. It shows more.
Going into
OG. OG's like a burnt brown. I would say a burnt orange brown because it's like.
I'm gonna go into OG also.
Just gotta blend. Blend, 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 blend. I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. I'm just gonna side with a brush. Oh, I thought I didn't. Kinda want. Oh, sorry.
Right?
She's pigmented. My camera cut off, so we're both gonna go in with Semsa, which is this pink color, and I think that's Amrezy's mom's name. How cute!
Semsa.
So
I literally put it in the outside and I bring it in.
I'm literally doing the same thing, and we're doing the same eye. Should be doing the same look.
I saw people using the blue. It was so cute. The blue? This color is so cute. And it's pink. Oh. Okay.
And I'm going in with Sigma Buff and Blend E39.
Also, I brought the camera in closer so you can like see our eye looks.
Yeah.
A little better. Cause he actually doing. Just literally going back and forth.
I'm gonna go in with this brown shade called Yugo. It's like this chocolate brown in the corner, and deepen up my crease even
Sleep in it, girl.
Period.
I'm going with 1988.
1988.
This right here. And I'm also
Which one's like?
put in this outer. Just the outer. I'm not gonna bring it in like I did with Semsa.
Semsa. I feel like this is pigmented.
Yeah.
I'm using a Morphe M503.
Just from Moda.
Almost like the 224 from MAC. Yes.
Always tap.
These
Tap
are
some
very
particle.
pigmented. Like,
Yes.
oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah. But these are so pigmented. You do not need a lot. Yeah. I'm literally just patting it in and just bringing it up a little. I'm gonna keep using these fucking palettes.
After we film this makeup video for her channel, we're gonna film a mukbang.
Yes. So watch
whatever.
it.
On my channel.
Exactly.
So we're about to order the Chinese food right now.
Ahora.
What's it called? Good time
Good one time. One good time. So literally, I put the blue on the blue. This is not blue. This is brown. Look at me saying blue. So I put the brown in the corner and I'm just buffing it.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, the outer corner going in and going in and out.
Yeah, I got Yugo all on my crease, obviously. Look at that.
1988.
Blend.
1988. Blending is key. Keep going back and forth.
New China Star?
No. Good
New
one.
Go Taste.
Yeah, that's it. Check what time they close.
10:30.
Yes, call them.
Okay.
Call them.
Calling.
Ooh, it looks good. My hair
Oh
looks
no,
crazy.
you hear that?
Ugh, the aliens.
That's so weird.
Now,
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut my crease
Liddy's crazy.
at least halfway. It doesn't have to be perfect, but
Yeah.
it gotta look clean.
Now I can't use my hand, but I'm gonna rub it.
Why?
I'm gonna rub it on this. So watch it.
That's how I cut my crease, guys. You just look up like that.
Going back in P. Louise Base. P.
P.
Louise.
Her name is so fun to say.
Very. What was I using? What was I using? Oh, ooh. Okay.
I'm glad.
Okay, so I'm going with Morphe M224. Trying to flatten that out. Make it really flat. And pat back and forth just to clear this up a little bit.
And I'm here cutting my crease.
Oh, my hair's everywhere. That's how I feel every time my hair done. It's everywhere. It just feels like it's all in my face and it's all fuzzy because it's like freshly washed. Yeah. I hate that feeling. How's that look? Looks pretty
Cut.
Yeah, cut as shit.
Wow, that was one. That was good. Alright guys, just cut a crease. I'm gonna be right back after. Just cut my
After this
crease.
one.
I'm gonna cut the other one.
After this crease, we'll be back.
Yeah. So, we just cut our creases.
Yeah. So after I cut my crease, I went back in with 1988 to like put
Do on the outer.
Yeah, to
I'm gonna do that after. Because if I do it now, it's gonna get on my crease. And then I'm gonna be upset.
like
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go in with Barb, which is this like duochrome. Let me swatch it on your hand. Oh, it looks kind of green and then it looks kind of
Yeah.
pink.
Wait,
I don't know, but I'm excited. This is the color I was most excited to use when I first swatched the palette and I got in the mail. Oh,
I'm going in with Wasted in this corner. It's like a pink pale. I see like some glitter in there, like little things of
oh, this
glitter.
looks insane.
And I'm gonna pat that
Oh, and out.
where I cut my crease and stuff.
Oh my god, look at this.
Oh,
This looks like Barbie. Like this is really like Barbie pink glitter. That's
yeah.
insane. Wow. And because my crease was like pink, my the white base looks kind of pink. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Because my crease was pink.
Ooh, it looks good.
Doesn't it? It looks the same. Just can't see the glitter. Alright, so I got my crease down. You guys can't really see the glitter because it's so bright, but it's there, I promise. It's there. I'm gonna fill the ends in with some more Sesma. Like I'm gonna how do I explain it? Like right in between here and the crease, I'm gonna put Sesma.
Same.
You know, to give it that pink tint. And I kind of want to put Reezy actually.
I'm just gonna,
Reezy's
like,
like
Brush
this
it.
pink, hot pink metallic that I want to mix actually. Let's try that first.
No, I didn't do that. Oh, I did it this side. I need to blend this side.
Oh, that looks crazy.
Cap.
Cute.
Cap. You cannot.
That looks really good. Look what that just did to that. Do you
What?
see that?
Yeah.
Look at this side, and then look at this side with the pink. It just like made that look so natural.
Yeah.
Wow. Yo, this palette is like a Barbie dream. Like I feel like I need a pink car, a pink outfit, and a Kendall.
A Kendall.
Barbie needs a camera.
Listen up here. Yep. A story about a little guy that lives in a blue world. All day and all night.
Okay guys, so we're pretty much done with the eyes, at least the top part, right?
Cute.
She went for like a matte look. Mine's
Just
some
some
glitter
shimmer.
cut crease. I'm gonna clean up my face, and then we're gonna do.
I already put moisturizer and stuff. So.
Time to beat this face.
Oh. 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 Oh.
What?
Ah. Oh, baby. Less. One more time.
What are you singing?
The song Apollo.
Oh, I don't know.
Apollo. 'Cause she. So now we're doing the bottom.
Lash line.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna use this blue one because why not? Like I'm gonna go hard.
I'm going back in with that.
It's called Leo, and I think that's her her husband's name. My bad. My bad.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm scared because it's like it's glitter. Like it's not a joke.
So Sam's up first.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Then I need a little fluffy brush. I'm gonna use this shader, Sigma Exact Blend, and go back in with 1988.
Oh my god, this looks sick.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Go right on the lash line with this brown. I don't know why I'm making that face, but
Because you have to.
it happens. Yeah.
It's blue.
It's blue, baby girl.
Blue is here.
It's blue.
What's that blue song you were singing?
Oh. Y'all listen up, here's a story about a little guy that lives in a blue world. And all day and all night and everything he sees is just blue. Like him, inside and outside. Blue his house with the blue little window and a blue Corvette. 'Cause everything is blue for him and his son.
I have my lashes here. I keep like 3 pairs in here. They're like weird in there. But I really only ever wear one every time. God is Dari. They're my Eylure cosmetics. God is Dari cosmetics. Yeah, you gotta speak loud for the mic. I like concealer like your own.
That's it. This is our look that we came up with, our Amrezy palettes.
Took forever to apply lashes, but we're finally here.
We are.
And I'm obsessed. Get into these looks.
So as you know, I got a little giveaway going on. So the first winner will win an Amrezy palette. And oh wait, you can't see it. And the second winner will win.
The Venus 2 palette.
I'm crying.
So these are the rules for the giveaway. You have to be subscribed to Krystal's channel. Comment down below what's your favorite color from the palette, because we basically use everything. Hello.
Ooh. And my Instagram, you gotta follow Lazymonkeyclothing. At Lazymonkeyclothing. Imperfected Beauty X3. Tag 2 people on the post and share it. And yeah.
Post a picture and that's the post you're gonna have to comment under. So if you do all of that, then you enter a chance to win
2 separate winners.
And these palettes are fire. If you guys want to see the Venus one, let's open it. So
I'm too busy here, like this crown is just like stop you.
This is what it looks like. Very cute. Everyday kind of vibe.
Like one of my number ones.
Yeah, she loves Line Crime.
So why not just give it to one of you guys? And of course the Amrezy palette,
which is really poppin'. I mean, you've seen it already, like hello. But if you want to look at it again,
yes.
I mean.
So that will be the first prize winner, and then the second prize winner will win a Venus 2. Venus 2. Lit like a tit. Lit like a tit.
Look up there.